What if I told you one of the most effective weed killers I've used in over 25 years of gardening costs just a few dollars to make? No expensive chemicals.
Chances are, you already have the ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now. But before you spray this on every weed you see,
There's one important mistake that could ruin your garden. Let's talk about it.
Hi everyone. I've been gardening for more than 25 years, and if there's one battle every gardener fights, it's weeds. Today, I'm going to show you the homemade formula that consistently works for me and explain exactly when to use it and when not to.
They show up in driveways, they grow between patio stones, they pop up around flower beds, and somehow they always seem to come back.
Here's the formula. 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of table salt, 2 tablespoons of dish soap. That's it. Once dissolved and made from ingredients most households have. Mix everything thoroughly in a garden sprayer container. Once dissolved, you're ready to apply. Simple, affordable, and made from ingredients most households already have. Let's break down why each ingredient matters. The vinegar contains acetic acid. This acid damages leaves, causing rapid dehydration. Salt increases stress and prevents moisture retention. Dish soap acts as a surfactant. It helps the mixture stick to the leaves. This creates a powerful contact weed killer. The results can often be seen within hours. This solution doesn't know the difference. If it lands on a plant, damage it too. That's why I recommend using it carefully. Be extremely careful around vegetable gardens, flower beds, newly shrubs, and lawns. And remember, so avoid using large amounts. Apply on a warm, sunny day. Avoid spraying before rain. Target the leaves directly. Don't waste it on bare soil. For tough weeds, reapply after 5 to 7 days. Perennial weeds, combine spraying with physical roof for the best results. No weed magic. Consistency is what wins the battle. This homemade weed killer won't solve, but it can be a useful tool when used correctly. Have you tried this formula? Have you tried this formula before? Let me know in the below.